Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to install WhatsApp business app on your phone. The process is quite simple. I'll show you how. Stay with me, let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone, you do you. So on WhatsApp, this is the home page. On the home page, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now on the search bar, you'll have to type WhatsApp business. So I'll do that real quick. WhatsApp business and then press search. So this is the app we are looking for. Now you'll simply have to tap on the install option, the one with the green background, and wait for the app to get installed. Let's talk about the app until it gets installed. WhatsApp Business app is quite similar to the regular WhatsApp Messenger app. The only difference is that the regular WhatsApp is used for personal communication. On the other hand, WhatsApp Business app is used for business communications. That is, WhatsApp Business app comes with some marketing tools that are not available in the regular WhatsApp. The installation process is halfway through now, so let's be patient. Let's wait for a few more seconds and it will be ready to use. Okay, the app has been installed. Now you'll simply have to tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. Now create an account and you'll be all set to use the app. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.